Jet skiing can be just so much fun, but of course you need to think safety, and wearing all the right gear and safety glasses all helps. However, sometimes things go wrong. This video is to give you a quick glimpse of how to fix some of them when things go wrong. Some of the late model jet skis have plastic hulls, while others have a sort of a composite, and then the older ones have fibreglass, which is probably the easiest one to repair. This one has a composite hull, and you need to use a technique called epoxy riveting to ensure that it's going to hold together. And this damaged top section is fiberglass, so I cut a section out of the donor craft here and then cut it down to size to fit into the area that needed repairing. And here it is. The first piece I repair is this gunnel section you can see missing in the middle there, with parts from the donor vessel. Very careful preparation of the area to be repaired is required, and it's very time consuming. And of course you must use high quality compatible epoxy resins to ensure this repair holds. To secure the base for applying my fiberglass patch, I've used a 2-pack epoxy paste. And now I've removed the clamps and sanded it down in preparation for applying some more epoxy to put my glass deck patch in place. And now it's just a matter of epoxying any of the imperfections and tidying up the whole area, and lots of sanding. And now it's beginning to take shape. And now a few good coats of epoxy primer. Yes, 2-pack of course. And these are the dreaded fish eyes caused by some silicone in the air, but some good cleaning sorts that one out. And now it's time for 5 coats of 2-pack epoxy white. And that's how you do it. And now it's just a matter of fitting the skid pads all back in, and she's ready to roll.